of the biggest national celebrations in the UK is Christmas. Christmas is a winter tradition for many people as a religious or cultural celebration. Some people from Christian religion in the UK celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, mostly on December 25th. But many people in the UK and around the world also celebrate this time as part of the holiday season. 25th of December is one of the shortest, darkest days in the winter season in the UK, and people decorate their houses with candlelights, tinsel and Christmas trees, and send gifts or cards with kind wishes to their friends and family. Another tradition around Christmas time is the mystical figure of Santa Claus, also called Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas or simply Santa. He brings gifts to children during the night on Christmas Eve, which is the evening before Christmas. Santa Claus has a white beard and wears a red coat, hat and trousers with white fur. He's a happy, jolly man who makes toys with his helpers, elves, and they are in the North Pole in a workshop. Flying reindeer pull his sleigh through the air, and they deliver the gifts for children who open them up on the 25th of December. This is followed by a large Christmas meal where tables are decorated with Christmas crackers and candles.